Hi everyone. Welcome to English 122, Section 508. My name is Richard Nunez, and I will be your instructor for this online course. And I think I should start off by saying that this course will actually be a themed class focusing on the African continent. And now, before you go running away in a panic, I just want you to know that you're not expected to be experts on the African continent. You will learn as you go along. And in fact, the very beginning of the semester will actually play to your ignorance, for lack of a better word. And that will be explained when I talk about the first major essay assignment. But I've been teaching this themed class for more than 10 years, and most students find it a very rewarding experience and really enjoy the class. And if they didn't, I would stop teaching it. So I think you'll enjoy it as well. So hang in there. Like I said, you're not expected to be experts, but you will learn along the way. I've been teaching English for more than 20 years now. I have degrees in creative writing. I am a published writer. You can find my stuff out there if you search hard enough. There'll be plenty of activities that you'll be completing, particularly in the first couple of weeks. So we'll get to know one another. And one of the first things I'm going to ask you to do is to introduce yourselves and in a discussion board, and to list one thing you know about the African continent. So please get that done as soon as possible. Well, welcome, and I really hope you enjoy this semester. Thank you.